Okay, I've launched the browser and I'm using this online GDB. Alright. Of course, we are still using the Python 3. Okay, so no change over here. But I have only 2 lines of codes. Okay, so today this session is going to be very short, which is an introduction to set. Okay, set, set. Okay. So to create a set, basically you use your braces, right? Open braces, close braces, separated by comma. Okay, but it doesn't have to be character. Okay, so a lot of time you see the example inside your book is character. What I purposely try to do here is I use strings. Okay, so I've apple, banana, cherry, durian, though not everyone like durian. Okay, then I want to print this. Okay, so just print the set, which is in this case fruit set. Right. So if I run it, okay, if it's correct, the output will be produced. All right, so just let me run this and you have the output over here. So you can see, all right, everything that is being typed out. Okay, you can see everything that is being typed out. But one thing you will notice is it may not be in the order that you place them in, but it doesn't really matter because it's a set. All right, so if you remember your mathematics, okay, in the set theory, it doesn't matter where you put the number or where you put the character, but it just exists somewhere inside there. That is all. All right, so hopefully you have a better understanding of the concept of set in Python.